Nerf gun war. My dad's out working over there. Fucking first person. Oh, dog eye! Oh, he's dead. Oh, we gotta run. Oh, shit. Who's out there? Over there, somewhere. Imagine snipe. That'd be cool. But no, I gotta reload. Fudgers. Oh, Jack! I almost got him. No, the bullet came out. Oh, I hate this gun. Like this Nerf gun. It's really bad because it doesn't work. Go get the other bullets. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, there's a bullet. Okay. Well, you know, aim down the sights. Kill some people. Who are we gonna kill today? We got killed. Can't play that. The gun was not even loaded. Wow. Jordan. Oh, gotta get them. Gotta get them. Gotta get them. Okay. Okay, my dad's over there. Okay. I'll try and snipe him from over here. I don't know how that's gonna go. He might get mad at me. I gotta do it. I didn't even load that time. I'm gonna cut it until I get there. Well, I got the gun loaded. Now, you guys gotta take the shot. Take the shot. Whenever you want to. Oh, let me get it. He still does not see me. The grass is tickly. Did he see me? I think he saw me. Oh, he didn't hear that. Ah! He spotted us! Leave him! Ah! Spotted us! He spotted us. Oh, God. Now we get to be more sneaky. Way more sneaky. Let's do this. Goddamn hole. Spiders. Okay, we gotta get down. Kill him! Yeah! Man down!
Pick him up. I'm trying to clean his head.
I know. Can't tell. How's he going, buddy? Not all. load this thing. There we go. I feel like I dropped the board. I can't fucking pick it up. Yep. What do you mean?
Instructions?
Yeah.
You're supposed to go onto their website and log on with all the things are going.
Oh, okay. I did give you the instructions. You what? Just didn't say that. Well, I gotta go. So, bye-bye.